for the dude in the navy blue shirt right there. You said you want to get into business, but why don't you keep both of the strippers? There's no business like whole business. What type of business?
Did he just diss us?
Hi. So for the girl with the black hair, you got a deformed Kermit the Frog with a deformed Miss Piggy. You dodged a bullet. You good, girl. You good.
Curious, how old are you, the girl in the orange and black? The girl in the orange and black. Because if you're not 21 yet and you look as beat as you do, you might want to stop letting loose.
How you doing, Jerry? Well, this comment is for this one in a glitter. She said that she's the lazy. She's lazy all around. She's a lazy stripper. She's a lazy fighter. She's a lazy lover. And the only thing that she's quick about is to admit these things.
Comment for the kid in the blue, you with the kid. Your girl got you.
Our producers have decided that you will take us into the break.
Okay. We'll be right back with Jerry's final thought.